No leaders, no parties, just the people, changing Serbia. From silence to a roar, Serbia's protest generation is here. We are not political, but we are changing politics. This is what happens when a nation stands together. A protest they can't ignore and will not control. History is written by those who show up. A movement without leaders is a movement they fear the most. Serbia is waking up, and it will not go back to sleep. Not left, not right, just forward. When justice fails, the people rise. The streets belong to those who walk them. If not us, who? If not now, when? We are not waiting for change. We are making it. This is bigger than any party. This is about all of us. No party, no leader, just people who've had enough. No microphones, no speeches. Just thousands saying enough. This isn't about sides. This is about right and wrong.